18. The top focus of the day, the hijab verdict. The Supreme Court will deliver its judgment today on petitions challenging the Karnataka High Court order refusing to overturn the hijab ban in educational institutions in the state. After a 10-day marathon hearing, a bench of justices reserved its judgment on the pleas on September 22nd after hearing arguments from all parties. Remember, the students had filed an appeal against a Karnataka High Court decision that upheld that the prohibition on hijab in classrooms was a reasonable restriction and that the hijab was not an essential religious practice in Islam. We're joined by my colleague Ritu, who brings us more on this. Ritu, very good morning to you. It's been a hugely contentious issue, and now with Justice Hemant Gupta retiring this week, we are likely to hear the verdict today. What are the voices coming in from political parties concerned?
Well, exactly. You see, today will happen to be one of the important days as well if the verdict is out in a way, because we have seen how Karnataka High Court has in fact observed this whole petition, and therein they had also said that wearing the hijab on the in the education institution is not in fact an essential Islamic practice, but where you see this was again being opposed by the Muslim girl students, and therein they have moved to the Supreme Court as well. But you see, on the other hand, politically as well, it has been a BJP party here in the Karnataka who had in fact said that with the state government order that the prescribed uniform must be at any cost followed in the education institutions, and therein no other religious practice will be entertained. So that was what the state government had said. The BJP party, in fact, has been being alleged by the Congress party that how the BJP party in the state is following the city environment, point number one, and the other point is that they are also been alleged of patronizing the whole education system. So these kind of responses we have seen from the Congress party, the opposition party here in the Karnataka, but BJP party, however, says that when it is being said in the Education Act itself, Karnataka Education Act, in fact, says that no religious practice are allowed on the premises of these education centers, and therein, everyone will have to follow what the Education Act has to say, and therein we will have to see how things will pan out post the verdict today.